Hi, this is PR Sundar. So, welcome to this special episode where I am going to give you some financial knowledge, how I am going to manage my Mercedes-Benz S-Class purchase. Sometimes in the month of June, Mercedes-Benz announced that they are launching Mercedes-Benz S-Class, new model. Then I set aside 2 crore for that. And then what happened? They said that we are launching Mercedes-Benz S-Class CBU unit. So the entire car is imported from Germany and the taxation is very high. On road, the price came around 2.7 crore. But once they start manufacturing in India, which is called CKD, all the kits are made in Germany, transported, and they do assembly in India. Then the prices will be lower. I asked them when are they likely to launch CKD. So they said, sir, we are going to take about 4 months time. And then I told my wife, and see, I have set aside 2 crore and I am going to show you how I am going to keep the same 2 crore with me forever and still I am going to buy a Benz S-Class. And I took this as a challenge with my wife. And not only that, I told my wife, I'm going to put this 2 crore in Bharat bond where I'm getting approximately 7% interest. And I will be pledging this Bharat bond to the exchange and I'll be getting about 1.8 crore as the limit for trading. And I'm going to trade only in one stock, not one stock, 2 stocks. ADANI Enterprise and ADANI Port. So the capital deployed, you can say it is 2 crore. Although there is a 10% haircut, only 1.8 crore is being deployed. So what I did, I started trading sometime in the month of July. July, August, September, the October is running, still not over. So far in these 2 stocks, in the last 3 months, July, August, September, and I traded and I made a profit of about 49 lakh rupees. So I'm going to show you. So this is my back office. So I've already downloaded into the Excel file and here you can see how many trades I have done. So these are the trades I have done in ADANI Enterprise, and then you can see it's all July, August, September only, not more than that. So then this is ADANI Port. So until here, you can see the figure. It is 49 lakh 4,712 rupees. So this 49 lakh is the booked profit and the cost of the car is about 1.62 crore by ex-showroom price, maybe another 40-45 lakh rupees for insurance, road tax, registration charges, etc. So this 49 lakh rupees I will be withdrawing from my trading account and I will be giving for down payment. So the entire 1.62 crore I am taking a loan from a bank and the insurance, road tax and other things about 40 lakh rupees, but I am withdrawing 49 lakh rupees to pay for it. I still have another 9 lakh rupees that can take care of my 3 months EMI. And right now I am also sitting with more than 5 lakh rupees MTM profit in the current month position. So which means I already have about 5 months EMI in my hand. And every month I am going to trade only in these 2 stocks. The capital deployed will be 1.8 crore or without haircut, but even if you take it as a total thing is 2 crore. And whatever profit I am getting, I am going to use this profit to pay my Benz loan. And one thing is that I am not paying even single rupee as the interest to the bank because my entire 2 crore is in Bharat bond which is getting almost the same return. almost 7% return, whereas my bank loan is also 7% interest only. So I need to worry about only paying the principal amount, which is about 1.6 crore. So if I can make 5 lakh rupees profit every month, so over a period of 32 months, in less than 3 years, I can clear my loan. And many people ask me, sir, why are you taking loan? In fact, there were some trollers who trolled me why there is a loan in his company books. You go and check Mukesh Ambani's books, there are a lot of loans are there. And taking a loan is nothing wrong. Taking a loan and go for a holiday or buy a car, enjoy life, then you cannot repay, then that is something wrong. But if you can do a business where you can generate 30-40% return, and if you take a loan at the rate of 7-8%, it makes sense. So every month I am going to update you what are the trades I have taken in Adani Enterprise and Adani Port, and I am going to show you how soon I am going to close my car loan. And many people trolled me saying that, sir, why are you taking a loan? And those people, they are not confident of making even the bank interest. So that is why they advise me to buy the car by paying the upfront. So it makes sense to take a loan if you are confident that you can generate more money from the business. And coming to, there are two things people ask me, sir, one, you please tell me, in fact I tweeted already that Adani gift of 2 crore, so this is what I meant, but many people guessed it, but they said, sir, how much is the capital deployed? So I set aside a maximum of 2 crore rupees for trades in Adani Port and Adani Enterprises. That's number one. Number two, sir, what strategy you are doing? I posted in my tweet screenshots. They are all very, very simple strategies. So simple straddle only, simple strangle only, not even straddle, simple strangle. Sometimes I do straddle, and there's nothing great. But number one, things can go wrong. I may even lose money in stock market, but I have to repay the loan to the bank. But I am confident that even if I lose money in 1 month or 2 months, the overall I'm going to make a profit. That is why I said, instead of buying a CB unit 4 months before, I buy CKD unit now. In this 4 months, I already have about 49 lakh rupees profit, plus 5 lakh, more than 5 lakh MTM profit. So for the next 5 months, EMI is already there. And even if I lose something the next month or second month or third month, I can recover in the subsequent months. Sometimes I've seen people having a dog in their house. For a long time when they are interacting with the dog, they can actually see the behavior of the dog. The dog also understands the owner also understands the dog. And the dog being an animal, but still people can, due to the interaction, can understand. And this not only applies to the dog, it applies to many animals. And I've seen people who can even interact with the tigers. So the same way, you don't need to have so many stocks, no need to trade in so many stocks to make money. You just keep watching only one particular stock from 9:15 to 3:30, and you can actually feel the behavior of the stock if you have been observing the stock for a long time. And here I have shown just by trading in one stock, Adani Enterprise, I make so much money. But I do trade in many stocks, then I trade in so many other things also. That's because my capital is really very huge. So I just look to diversify. Otherwise, just by trading in one stock also, you can make very good amount of money. So I'm going to show you how I buy my Mercedes-Benz S-Class without spending even a single rupee. It's like I have a 2 crore, I have the cake also, and I can eat also. So Wait for the updates every month, at the end of every month, and I will update you soon. So all these things are shown not to show off, it is just to show that what is the potential of the stock market, what is the potential of option selling. There are many people still talk bad about option selling, and I really don't know. People are so stupid, they just copy what somebody says. Somebody said option sellers are picking penny in front of the road roller, and I'm ready to pick the pennies in front of road rollers because road roller can never move faster. At least when you hear that, you change your style. You say, don't pick pennies in front of bullet train, like that. Why you say, don't pick penny in front of a road roller? Of course, this is not the video where I'm going to talk about it. Maybe I will come out with another video. And I'm showing you the potential of option selling as a business. So today I have thrown a very nice financial planning if you have the ability to make some profit. So set aside a capital, and instead of paying that money to buy a product, and invest it and trade on it and make money and pay for the product, so that at the end of the day you have the product also, you have the capital also. So this is a financial planning. Financial literacy and financial discipline, they both are required in India very much. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.